Yo, welcome back to 3K TV. My name is Trey, and welcome back to another video, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for my YouTube videos to be pushed out more, so you guys can see my videos. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a banger, man. Now today, I am reviewing the Air Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder, man. Hey, like I always say, Jordan 4s are my favorite Jordans, my favorite silhouettes, man. And I seen a whole bunch of reviews, I seen pictures, but I never seen this shoe up front. And I want to give you guys my honest opinion, man. So let's get into the shoe. The shoe is retail for $190, like I always said in my last video. Jordan has upped the price on retail for Jordans, man. $210, $225. Jordan 1s, $175. So hey, if you don't like it, oh well, man. Hey, I'm also not in my typical studio today. I'm at Soul Lection in Las Vegas, Nevada. And if you like to cop shoes, buy, trade, make sure you come to Soul Lection, Las Vegas, Nevada, and check this store out, man. The store is pretty cool. As you can see in the background behind me, we have everything, man. Every shoe that you can think of. Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, 4s, 5s, everything down to dunks, everything. They even got collabs, Virgil, everything, man. So make sure you head down to Soul Lection in Las Vegas, Nevada. And if you just here visiting, make sure you come down, man. But today, like I said, we are reviewing the Red Thunder 4s, man. So let's get into it. As you can see, it comes in that black and red box with the cement type of bottom to the box. This is a size 9.5. So let's get to it, man. Woo, snap. Hey, nah. Y'all wasn't lying. The reviews that I watched, y'all was not lying that this shoe looked pretty dope, man. Jeez. Now the quality, bro. Before we get into the quality, man, let's get into the color of the shoe, man. You got the all black as the base color, and you have that crimson red, man. You have the crimson red. You know what I'm saying? This is like, to me, this is like a grade school type of colorway. This is a shoe that you go to school if you still in elementary school. You still gotta wear a uniform and stuff. I would rock these, man. That's just how I feel about them, man. But off the rip, man, let's get into the quality of the shoe. As we all know, that Jordan 4s, sometimes their quality is a hit or miss, man. Sometimes you got the brush strokes. You see the brush strokes. As I can see right now, I can see the brush strokes. It's not a bad thing. It's just that we all just know that sometimes, Jordan can be a hit or miss with some of the shoes that, they be releasing with. But like I said, the base color is black. This is like a suede nubuck type of material. Some Jordan 4s come with the just ashy type of look to it. What was one of the shoes that has the ashy look to it? I think it was the Bread 4s. That was kind of ashy. That had the ashy suede material on them. The Black Cat 4s that I got on right now, this has like a soft type of nubuck suede to it. And I think this one is the same as well. As I can feel the material. It has a suede nubuck soft material on it, man. That's what I like. I don't like my suede, my nubuck to be ashy and rough, man. It just messes up the shoe, when you get water on it, or if you live in places where it snow, it just messes up the whole type of shoe, the whole material on the shoe. But the eyelets, the eyelets is a different color as the midsole. It's more red than the midsole. The midsole is that brighter red, like I said, the crimson red. And as you can see on the back, you got the white Jumpman, to put a little spice to it, man. Now on the front, you got the white Jumpman as well. on the tongue. And yeah, man, I don't think this shoe comes with, I don't think I ever seen a Jordan 4 that comes with extra laces, man. Hey, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever seen a Jordan 4 that came with extra laces? Nah, it's rare, right? Yeah. Told y'all, I never seen a Jordan 4 come with extra laces, man. So the quality of the shoe, man, it's cool, man. Like I said, man, it's a hit or miss, man. You got the air bubbles, you know. So I'm gonna do a little B-roll on the shoe, so y'all can see the quality up front. And also, you got the red on the bottom with the white jump, man. So I'm gonna do a little B-roll for y'all, so y'all can, you know, get a little up close look to it, man. So also, before we do that, man, the tongue is different as well. On the Black Cat 4s that I got on right now, the tongue is pretty fat, man. It's pretty fat and bulky, but this one is kind of slim. And I don't know, man. Comment down below, do y'all like the Jordan 4 tongue to be bulky and big, or do y'all like the Jordan 4 tongue to be kind of flat and, you know, kind of flat and slim? So comment down below, you know, what y'all think of that. So we're gonna do a little B-roll, and this is the Jordan 4 Red Thunder, man. So let's get into it. So as you can see, that is the end of the video, man. The end of the review. Comment down below what y'all cop or passed on this Saturday, man. These shoes are dropping this Saturday. Retail price $190, man. So comment down below, is this gonna be a pass or is this gonna be a cop? For me, honestly, I don't know, man. I love them, but I got too many like suede Jordan 4s, man. I don't like to have so many suede shoes or some of the same materials. I like to switch it up. So don't get me wrong, man. This shoe is pretty fire. I love them a lot, man. But it's so many shoes that's gonna drop this year that I want to cop. That look way better than this, man. But like I said, this shoe, I love it, man. I love Jordan 4s, man. It's suede, man. Now, I already got the Jordan 4s. I got the Jordan 4 neon 95 neon, those suede as well, nubuck, and yeah, man, there's so many shoes in my collection that's suede, man. I got the Jordan 6s Bordeaux suede, man. So I just have so many suede in my collection. I don't have a lot of like leather in my collection, so you know, it's hard for me to, you know, to pass them up. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know. Come Saturday, I might cop them. I might change my mind, man. This is like, I don't know. I love them a lot, man. So that's just my opinion. Don't go off my opinion like I always say every video, man. But comment down below, would y'all cop or pass these, man? So, hey, this is 3K TV. My name is Trey. If this is your first time tuning into my video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hitting that like button will also help out my YouTube video to be pushed out more and get more recognition. So yeah, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop bangers, man. Like I always say at the end of the video, my name is Trey and I'm out. Yee! Ah!